here's how it works. This is the new generation of jump ropes in that it does not need tools to adjust it. So no more Phillips screwdrivers, no more Allen wrenches, no more adjustable screws flying off in the middle of a competition or practice, which is so hard to find. So instead, what you do, you simply untwist the top, what we call the chuck, insert the cable, retwist the chuck, and it's going to hold very, very steady. It will not come off on you. So it makes it incredibly handy for adjusting cords and cables. In addition, we've added very high quality ball bearings in here. So if you give it a spin, that handle is going to spin for up to 2 minutes. So it's just super fast, very, very smooth. We've had nothing but positive feedback from these. The handles come with knurl grip, so it does not slip in your hands. It is ergonomically designed so it fits very nice in the hands, has a great feel to it. We think you'll be super pleased with this purchase. We recommend the bullet comp to anybody who is very serious about doing speed or double unders or triple unders.